Hello, let's discuss solving problems with an unknown start. So first of all, let's talk about what that means. An unknown start means that the starting amount is unknown. The change is known, however, and it can be either addition or subtraction. The result is known. So looking at these two problems, we have unknown plus 23 is 57. Or we have unknown minus 23 is 34. Either way, the starting amount is unknown. We do not know it, and that's what we need to solve for. So let's go ahead and take a look at an equation with an unknown start and an add to change. So unknown plus 23 is 57. In this situation, the end is known. 57 is the whole number, and 23 is part of that number. So in order to solve a problem like this, we need to take that 57 and we're going to take 23 out of it, and that is going to give us that missing part. So I have solved this three different ways. I solved this using expanded form. I took 57 and expanded it into 50 plus 7, 20 into 20 plus 3. Then you're going to subtract 10s and subtract 1s. 50 minus 20 is 30. 7 minus 3 is 4. Putting all of that back together, we get our unknown answer of 34. I also solved this using sticker notation. I drew out 57, then I took away 23, and we were left with 34. Finally, I solved this using a number line. Started at 57, took away the 3 1s, and then took away the 2 10s. Once again, getting the answer 34. So unknown plus 23 is 57. Unknown is 34. In the final example, we have a starting amount unknown where the change is taken from. So unknown, take away 23 is 34. Our starting amount is unknown. We started off with a number, we took away 23, and we were left with 34. So in order to find that original large number, we are actually going to take 34 and 23 and add them together. And that is going to give us the original amount. Because that original amount, 23 was taken out of it, and we're left with 34. So taking that 23 and 34 and putting them back together again is going to give us that starting amount. I solved this using three different strategies. First, I used expanded form. 23 is 20 and 3. 34 is 30 and 4. Adding my 10s together, 20 and 30 is 50. Adding my 1s together, 3 and 4 is 7. 50 plus 7 is 57. With sticker notation, I drew out 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and I drew out 34. When adding them all together again, we got the answer of 57. Finally, using the number line, I started with 23, then I added 34, and I started with my 1, so you can see I jumped 4 to get to 27, then I jumped 30 to get to 57. However, you could have also started at 34 and then jumped 23. So 34 and then 3 more would have gotten you to 37, and then jumping 20 more would have gotten you to 57. So I hope this helps you solve equations where the start is unknown. Thank you. Bye-bye.